and see what's inside this cookie.
Welcome to Peach Betty. My name is Morgan and this is my son. And today we are going to make some yummy homemade pizza rolls.
Pizzas!
This recipe is from another Pillsbury Bake Off recipe book. This book was written in 1973 and features all things Pillsbury, from Pillsbury flour to Pillsbury Crescent rolls. We are using crescent rolls.
Crescent, yes.
To make this recipe, you need
Cheese!
Now, the original recipe has ham, but we don't have ham. We have
Pepperoni!
yeah, and we also have some onion and some granulated garlic. For this recipe, you can use anything that you have in your fridge, any kind of cheese, lunch meat, maybe even ground pork or sausage. Now that we have this all stirred together, we're going to open up our crescent rolls.
Crescent roll, yes.
I always get super nervous because the anticipation of this container exploding. Hasn't exploded yet. Easy trick, ready? Oh, puff. Now we have all of these triangles that are already cut for us. Now can you take some of our filling?
Yes.
And put it in the triangle. Time to put them into the oven. Here we go.
Bye!
Goodbye. While our little pizza rolls are baking, you want to get some melted butter ready. And we're going to season that butter with some Italian spices and Parmesan cheese. This is a recipe put together by my sister Abby, and she loves to put them on crescent rolls, tie them up in little knots, and then you have garlic knots.
We have 8 roll pieces.
And now you need to
Wash them.
You want to do this as soon as they come out of the oven. That way they absorb all of this yummy flavor.
And they look very good.
Thank you. Ooh, a little pepperoni roll.
We have to eat it.
Do you like it?
It's really yummy.
Yep.
They're still a little warm.
They are warm, but they're so good. I really recommend you try this one. Make some for lunch or a snack. Thank you for watching this video. If you do like it, please hit the like button and share with your friends so they can try out these yummy recipes. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye. Yeah.